What's up, guys? Today we're going to take a look at the 5 best robot vacuums on the market for this year. We're going to show you our 5 best picks, and we'll talk about whether or not you should buy them. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started. Number 1. iRobot Roomba Combo J7 Plus. Introducing the Roomba Combo J7 Plus from iRobot, featuring the innovative POOP. Promise Pet Owner Official Promise, ensuring peace of mind for pet owners. If the Roomba encounters pet waste and fails to avoid it, iRobot pledges to replace the entire robot, underscoring their commitment to customer satisfaction. However, with highly effective obstacle detection and avoidance capabilities, the Roomba J7 Plus minimizes the likelihood of such incidents. During testing, it showcased superior vacuuming performance and excelled at mopping, surpassing many combination models. While encountering dry spillages posed a minor challenge, the Roomba's intelligence and adaptability ensured efficient cleaning overall. The Roomba seamlessly integrates with popular smart speakers and features an intelligent and user-friendly app. It maps floor plans, allowing users to create custom cleaning zones, while constantly monitoring and learning to optimize cleaning efficiency. Additionally, it provides notifications when specific areas require attention, enhancing convenience and effectiveness. While the Roomba operates quietly for the most part, the self-emptying feature emits a brief 90 decibel sound, a minor drawback in an otherwise exceptional device. Number 2. eufy RoboVac 11 Siemens. In the realm of budget-friendly robot vacuums, the eufy 11 Siemens stands out as a compelling option, offering exceptional value without compromising on cleaning performance. With its reasonable price point, often further discounted, the 11 Siemens proves to be unmatched in terms of affordability and effectiveness. Despite its economical pricing, the eufy 11 Siemens excels in cleaning capabilities, effortlessly tackling dryoats, fine dust, and debris on both carpets and hard floors. Its slim design allows it to navigate under low-clearance furniture with ease, ensuring comprehensive cleaning throughout the home. However, the compact size of the 11 Siemens does come with a trade-off: a smaller dustbin compared to other models on the market. Additionally, the absence of app control and smart speaker integration sets it apart from pricier alternatives, limiting its convenience in terms of software features. Furthermore, while the 11 Siemens may not follow the same logical cleaning path as more expensive eufy models, its cleaning effectiveness remains commendable. While it may occasionally exhibit erratic cleaning patterns and encounter difficulties navigating around obstacles, its overall performance remains impressive given its price point. Number 3. iRobot Roomba S9 Plus. The iRobot Roomba S9 Plus stands as the pinnacle of robot vacuum technology, offering unparalleled performance and convenience. While its premium price may deter some, its exceptional capabilities make it a worthy investment for those seeking the ultimate cleaning solution. Setting up and using the Roomba S9 Plus is a breeze, thanks to its intuitive design and user-friendly interface. During testing, it proved its mettle by effortlessly tackling various types of debris, from fine dust to cereal, on hard floors. While its performance on carpets was slightly less impressive, it still outshone many competitors in its class. One of the standout features of the Roomba S9 Plus is its self-emptying functionality, which deposits debris into a replaceable dust bag in the charging and emptying station. This means minimal maintenance for users, with alerts provided via the app when the dust bag needs replacing. Additionally, the Roomba S9 Plus integrates seamlessly with virtual assistants such as Alexa and Google Assistant, enhancing convenience and control. While the Roomba S9 Plus may not be the most budget-friendly option on the market, its unmatched cleaning power and advanced features justify its price tag. Number 4. EcoVacs Dbot T20 Omni. The EcoVacs Dbot T20 Omni stands as a premium offering in the world of robot vacuums, offering a plethora of features and impressive cleaning performance. While its price may be on the higher end, Its multifunctionality and advanced capabilities make it a compelling choice for those seeking top-notch cleaning solutions. One of the standout features of the Dbot T20 Omni is its exceptional vacuuming and mopping capabilities, delivering thorough cleaning results with minimal noise. However, like most robot vacuums, its edge cleaning may leave something to be desired. The inclusion of a hot water mop washing feature adds versatility to the Dbot T20 Omni's cleaning arsenal, although it does require regular emptying of dirty water. The self-emptying charging base, while convenient, may be cumbersome for smaller spaces due to its size. Despite its large footprint, the Dbot T20 Omni offers precise mapping capabilities, ensuring efficient navigation and thorough cleaning of the designated area. While it excels in both vacuuming and mopping tasks, users who do not require the mopping feature may find more suitable options available at a lower price point. Number 5. iRobot Roomba 7 Plus. For pet owners, keeping a clean home can be a constant challenge, especially when dealing with shedding fur and messes. Thankfully, the Roomba Pet Edition emerges as a lifesaver, excelling at cleaning up after furry companions with ease. Based on the highly acclaimed Roomba S9 model, the Roomba Pet Edition shares similar mapping technology and integrates seamlessly with virtual assistants like Alexa and Google Assistant. Equipped with high-capacity dust bags, which require replacement approximately every 30 days, this model offers the option to purchase without the self-emptying base for a more budget-friendly alternative. However, for pet owners dealing with excessive shedding, the automatic emptying feature proves invaluable, effectively tackling the relentless accumulation of pet hair. By utilizing dust bags, the Roomba Pet Edition also helps reduce the presence of allergens such as dander, benefiting households with allergy-sensitive individuals. While it may not match the suction power of its pricier counterparts, the Roomba Pet Edition compensates with innovative features such as the Dual Pass mode, which ensures thorough cleaning by retracing its steps to vacuum an area twice. This proves especially effective for capturing stubborn pet hair in a single sweep. Operating at a quiet 65 decibels during normal operation, the Roomba Pet Edition provides a tranquil cleaning experience. Thanks for watching, and that's for all this video. If you liked this video and it helped in any way, please give this video a like, and if you don't want to miss out on any future videos, subscribe to the channel. I hope to see you in the next video. Till next time, see you guys.